This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, and I'm going to show you a really neat automatic way to convert prices in Chinese renminbi to US dollars in Google Sheets using a special function. Let's get started. So you can see I have a price list here. In column B, I'm showing these different parts. They're expressed in Chinese renminbi, which is the currency over there. And then you can see it's converted into US dollars. And what it's doing is it's referencing these values that are down here. These are conversion rates between US dollars and Chinese CNY, which means Chinese yuan, which is the Chinese renminbi. And this is the reverse of that, Chinese yuan to US dollar. And the way that I'm doing it is I'm not Googling the number and then pasting it in. I'm using the Google Finance function. Basically what you do, equal Google Finance, then parentheses, quotation marks. And inside the quotation marks, you put currency, CNY USD. So that's from Chinese yuan to USD. If it was the reverse of that, it would be USD CNY. If it was another currency like Canadian dollars, like let's take a look at this one, you can see it's CAD USD. So just by switching around these different 3-digit codes for the currencies, you can get these conversion rates. They're automatically pulled in and they're automatically updated, which is really useful. That means when I open up this sheet tomorrow, these values will reflect the new currency conversion rate for Chinese yuan. And let's take a look at the way that it's being calculated here. It says equal B3 times, and then it has dollar signs for B14. So B3 is this cell right over here. That's for part B, 24 Chinese renminbi. And then B14, that's going down here. This is referencing the Chinese yuan to US dollar. And the reason why I have dollar signs in front of the B and the 14 is just so it's fixed. And then when I do autofill, it will always reference this particular cell. But it's really, really useful. And then if somebody else said, oh, I need a quote for part E. So let's put in part E, and let's say that they're telling me that the price for part E is 46 yuan. Okay, all I would need to do is I could just type in equals, and it's actually prompting me to do it, B6 times B15. So that's correct. Let's see if it shows the right one. And that's C46. So it is B15. That's the conversion rate. The current conversion rate for one Chinese renminbi to US dollar is about 14 cents per renminbi. And then it's showing me the updated price there. And of course, then once I have all this information here, I can do different types of functions. Like I could, sum everything together. If it was kind of like a block rate, I could do the sum. And you can do all kinds of interesting things. So that's how to use the Google Finance function. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I will see you next time.